Hi everyone, thank you for watching DreamSpree Studio Yoga. My name is Shannon. Chappy will make an appearance at the end of the video. Today we'll be going through some stretches and relaxation work. We'll be tying breath work in with movement. That helps to trigger the parasympathetic nervous system to calm down and get ready for relaxation. So we're using some science today. If you like yoga videos, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos every week, and it's a very easy way for you to support free yoga on YouTube. Let's just go ahead and settle in, get in a comfortable seat, bring the hands back down to the knees, and close your eyes. As we begin to turn the attention inward, notice the quality of your inhalations and exhalations. Just breathe in and breathe out, slowly tuning into the body without any judgment at all. Notice the quality of your thoughts, and notice how the body feels now. If you'd like to set an intention for your practice, something to bring your mind back to in case it begins to wander, and maybe a positive affirmation to bring into your life, now's a good time. On your next inhale, you can go ahead and float the eyes open. We're going to start with some very simple neck rolls, little half rolls of your neck. So just tilt your neck over to the right side. And we're going to half roll forward. So inhale, forward, exhale, backward. Inhale, forward, exhale, backwards. Inhale, forward, exhale, backwards. Now raise the head back up to center. Inhale, exhale over to the left side. I'm going to repeat that. So inhale, roll the neck forward a little. Exhale, roll the neck backwards. Really draw out those inhales and exhales. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now inhale, back to center. Let's reach the arms out tall overhead. Clasp the hands together. Bring them behind your head. Inhale back. Exhale forward. Inhale back. Small arch of the back. Exhale forward. One more. Inhale back. Exhale forward. Inhale back to center. Exhale the arms out to the sides. Leave them there. Let's do some arm circles. Loosen those shoulders up from your day. Inhale. Exhale backwards. 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. One more. Inhale. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 2, 3, 4. And just float them down to the sides. Now draw the hands over to the left side of the mat towards your knee. And crawl forward towards the knee, bringing the head down. Let's go ahead and count our inhales and exhales here. Just let the head hang. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. exhale, 2, 3, 4. Really tuning in with the breath. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Option here, you can stay here with the arms extended forward, or if you'd like a little more of a stretch, draw the right hand in to the hip and twist outward looking up. And just rotating the chest out. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Now wherever you are, just come right back up to center. We're using the breath to help expand the sides, expand the lungs, relax the nervous system, and also it assists in the stretch. So let's crawl over to the right side now. Come forward across your knee and inhale, exhale down. Just inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Now you can stay in this position or draw the left hand in, bring it to the hip, rotate the shoulder out and up. You can gaze up or down. Let's begin our breath work. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Now let's draw everything back up to center. And just come out of your seat. Just going to come with the knees bent in front of us. Do a nice gentle twist here. Put the left arm around, wrap around the knees, reach behind with the right hand. Inhale up, prepare. Exhale, twist behind you, rotating out the shoulders out to the sides, trying to gaze over the right shoulder. And let's begin our breath work. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Come back to center. Unwrap the left arm around, wrap the right arm around, reach behind you again for your twist. Inhale, exhale, prepare, look behind you, gazing over the shoulder, and begin our breath work. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Come back to center. Good job. Now let's go ahead and turn to the side of the mat. Carefully and with control, just roll yourself all the way down. And then extend the legs out. Now we're going to do a banana shape, which looks strange and feels awesome. So reach out long with your arms. So I'm going to go to the left side so you guys can kind of see what I'm doing. Reach both arms long over to the side. And now reach the feet over to that same side. So you're kind of in a banana shape or a C shape. You should be getting a really good stretch in the right side of the body. And then once we're here, let's do our breath work. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Now bring everything back to center. Make sure you're reaching out long, and then bring the arms over to the right side and bring the feet over to the right side. Getting a good stretch, making a banana shape. And let's begin. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Let's come back to center. Bring the arms down. Pick up the legs. Bring them in towards your chest. Just give them a squeeze. And put the feet back down to the floor. Take the right hand, place it over by the left knee, and just let the knees fall over to the right side. Gaze over the left shoulder. Let's begin our breath work. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Now bring everything to center. You can reach up with the left hand over to the right knee and let both knees drop over to the left side. Gaze over the right shoulder. And again, let's begin. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Now bring the knees back up. Reach up. Give yourself a big hug because you love yourself and you did amazing. And just release into Shavasana. Let it all go. Any effort remaining from your day or from your practice, just let it sink into the ground beneath you. Feel all the tension melt away. Know that you have done everything you needed to do, that you are perfectly safe here and secure. And just release into Shavasana. If you would like to extend your Shavasana, go ahead and pause this video. Otherwise, begin to make some small movements with the fingers and toes, some rotations with the ankles and wrists. Reach out long for a big stretch and roll over to one side in the fetal position. On your next inhale, go ahead and press yourself back up into your comfortable seat. Bring the hands back down to the knees again. Float your eyes closed one more time. Let's do a quick scan of the body. See how it feels since you began your practice. How has it changed? Thank yourself for taking the time out of your day to do something good for you. You can bring your hands to heart center in prayer and open your eyes. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste. Thank you so much for practicing a little relaxing yoga and breath work with me today. And if you'd like to follow up this practice with a short guided meditation, you can try this video over here. Thank you for hanging out with me today. May you be safe, happy, and peaceful, friends. I'll see you guys next time.